Cuckoo.
Along Haji Lane. Just adjacent to Haji Lane lies Arab Street, an area famous for traditional Muslim textile and handicrafts. And at Istana Kampung Glam, find out more about the culture, heritage, and history of Malay Singaporeans. Marking the end of the Islamic holy Kalang River. Did you know that the Kalang River is the longest river in Singapore? It flows for 10 kilometers from the Lower Pierce Reservoir to the coast of Legal Highway and has a few notable attractions worth visiting. One of them is the Singapore Sports Hub, a state-of-the-art, fully integrated sports, entertainment and lifestyle indoors in a fusion of nature and a marketplace. Singapore Strait. Due to its deep waters and strategic location, Singapore Strait has been an important sea channel to travelers and traders for more than 1,000 years. Built across the mouth of the 350-meter wide Marina Channel, the Marina Barrage supplies fresh water, serves as a comprehensive flood control scheme, and is also a lifestyle attraction. Along the waterfront is the Marina Bay Cruise Center, a 2-berth cruise facility where you can board the largest cruise liners. Located next to the cruise center is the Marina South Pier. Here, you can get on a ferry to the southern islands of Singapore and enjoy trekking routes, tranquil beaches, and spot marine wildlife. Gardens by the Bay. Gardens by the Bay is one of the top attractions in Singapore. This multi-award winning 101-hectare garden set in the heart of Marina Bay comprises of 2 domes and 3 waterfront gardens. Inside the cloud forest, you can find some of the rarest, most diverse vegetation with its temperature-controlling, ever-changing display of flowers and plants from the Mediterranean and semi-arid regions. Finally, stop by the Supertree Grove for the iconic tree-like vertical gardens. Designed with large canopies, these trees provide shade in the day and come alive with a display of light and sound at night.
अभी हम लोग टॉप पे है ना
Hi friends, welcome to my new vlog. Now we will showing that this full track is for kids for slide. Let's go.
Cuckoo, they are also full. Look. Big.
Where? Yay! Hi friends, welcome to my new vlog. Now today I'm going to the pool.
This is the hotel room. Hotel pool. Huh? This is your hotel? Very big.
I see the flower, standing on the bluebirds, kicking cool, Marina Sun. Lovely as a navy. I'm so lovely.